Lots of expectations from the movie now. दिल है मुश्किल के लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इतना सारा environment बना?
We are not here to talk about it. No, it's okay. हाँ.
बताइए कि
See, I just want to say that honestly, as personally, on a personal level, मुझे ये फिल्म बहुत ही beautiful लगी है. I've seen bits of it, and I think it's a beautiful film and a very emotional film. और on the other level, I feel as a proud resident of this country and as a privileged member of the industry, I feel कि जो भी whatever's happening with the film at this point is unfair. क्योंकि जब ये फिल्म शूट हुई थी तो बहुत ही एक साल पहले शूट हुई जब क्लाइमेट अच्छा था. The current climate I know how it is, but उस टाइम पे climate अच्छा था.
very intelligent answer. I appreciate it.
I don't want to say anything more. Thank you. But I give you my answer.
Well, see, I think बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. As an actor, as somebody who is an active actor and part of the industry, I feel it's not fair to a filmmaker क्योंकि अगर लोगों को पता हो पिक्चरें कैसी बनती हैं, ये पिक्चर एक साल पहले बनी थी. तब जो पॉलिटिकल सिनेरियो था बहुत अलग था. मैंने खुद जिस एक्टर की बात हो रही है उनके साथ काम किया है. वो पिक्चर इसी साल रिलीज़ हुई है. सो आई फील इट्स नॉट फेयर टू अ फिल्म मेकर हु इज़ मेकिंग अ लव स्टोरी which has nothing to do with the political scenario, and also that we are not stopping any other ties with that country, but only movies. So I feel as part of the fraternity that I hope we have a wonderful release and it's a wonderful story people get to see, made by Mr. Karan Johar.
आजकल लाइक शाहरुख भी कैमियो करे, आलिया का भी कैमियो, सो कैमियोज आर अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग इन हिंदी फिल्म्स फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू नो, डू यू थिंक कैमियोज अगर बिग स्टार्स करते हैं मूवी में तो वो फिल्म से फोकस हट जाता है और कैमियोज पे रहता है? डू यू थिंक दैट हैपेंस?
I think not at all. Yeah, it's a lot of fun if a great filmmaker like Karan Johar calls you for a scene, and even if you have one line, he'll present you nicely. It adds to their scene. It can sometimes be really funny. It can sometimes be really emotional. It can just be a song that you come in. I think it depends among friends. It's a lot of entertainment value, and I don't think it's going to divert anybody's attention by just one scene.
मैं अपना पर्सनल ओपिनियन दे सकता हूँ. I admire Ranbir as an actor. I love Karan Johar films, and I have loved the trailer. So I'm looking forward to the film.
पर इस तरह की मतलब जैसे रोकना फिल्म की रिलीज को कहीं ठीक लगता है आपको ये कि मतलब एज एन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री कोई नुकसान?
नहीं, मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है, उससे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता.
फिर भी जो भी आपको लगता है अच्छा मतलब
देखिए, this is the answer to all your questions. If given a chance, on the first day I'll go and watch the film. I don't think if it's a well-written script, and if the actor making the cameo is a good actor, I don't think he'll come across as something that you don't expect and you're just concentrating on that, because I think best of the actors in Hollywood and here also in Bollywood, they have done it, and they only help in communicating the essence of the story.
Yeah, well, the thing is, no, it's Karan's vision. It's Karan's vision, so he knows his story, and he's done it over the years so many times. I mean, he's had cameos in most of his films, and they're all amazing. So I'm sure it'll be great.
I don't think this is the right place for me to comment on it, but I would at least like to say कि अब तक की जितनी फिल्म्स ऑलरेडी शूट हो चुकी है उन्हें प्लीज़ रिलीज़ करने दीजिए. I hope that there's no problem in those films. Further from here on, I think they can decide what they want to do. But अब तक जो ऑलरेडी शूट हो चुका है, I hope that those films don't have a problem.
राजी, एक क्वेश्चन है मुझे आपसे. आजकल फिल्म्स में कैमियोज बहुत होते हैं, लाइक स्पेशल बिग स्टार्स मेक कैमियोज इन बिग फिल्म्स. So I just want to ask you, like, do you think cameos take away the focus from the movie, या फिर स्क्रिप्ट का जो रहता है, इसमें मेन स्टार का रहता है, अगर कोई बड़ा स्टार कैमियो करता है, do you think it takes away the focus?
I think cameos are pretty exciting. They're kind of special because they create such a lot of mystery and intrigue among people. And yes, when it's one of your favorite actor out there, then I think it's kind of special and it's very, very exciting for the audience. So I think cameos are kind of fun because it's like a surprise package. So I think it's always nice, yeah.
देखिए, फिल्म को रिलीज़ ना करना एक अलग सिचुएशन आ गया. वो चीज़ मेरे को नहीं समझता कि वो पहले की चीज़ है, जो चीज़ हो चुकी है. फिल्म ऑलरेडी शूट कर चुके हैं वो चीज़ को, एंड तो आई थिंक वो रिलीज़ हो या उसका रिलीज़ रोकना, वो एक मतलब मैं उस चीज़ से इतना सहमत नहीं होता.
Thank you so
Do you think like a cameo in a film hire big star adds to the value of the film or rather distracts the whole scenario?
आई थिंक इट एड्स, समटाइम्स इट एड्स. आई मीन कई बार जब छोटे छोटे रोल भी हम लोग एक्टर्स करते हैं, बड़े एक्टर्स करते हैं, वो कुछ चीज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है इसलिए उनको उस चीज़ के लिए लिया जाता है, स्पेशल अपीयरेंस इसलिए होता है. तो ऐड होता है, ऐसा चीज़ नहीं है कि कुछ भी नेगेटिवली ऐसे ही बिना बात के ऐड कर रहे होते हैं. हर चीज़ का एक लॉजिकल रीज़न होता है. तो आई एम श्योर कि इट एड्स टू द होल फिल्म.
और ऑब्वियसली इनहांस करता है. If say I'm doing a film and Tiger does a small 2 seconds for it, his fans will like coming and watching the film too. So it obviously makes more sense to have more actors in the film. Yes.
I don't know. That's. I'm just in that zone of my film just released right now, so I'm just happy for that. I'm not thinking about if it should be released or not. It's up to them. It's up to the government. That's not my decision.
You know, I prefer not answering these questions really. I'm very uncomfortable. But
फिल्म में एनहांस करता है या उसकी ग्लोरी ले जाता है?
कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
फिल्म के अंदर एक कैमियो क्या फिल्म को एनहांस करता है या उसकी ग्लोरी को ले जाता है?
A cameo. It can go either way, I think. Yeah.
थोड़े elaborate के लिए बहुत कम शब्द हैं. थोड़ा सा
जैसे कि अगर फ्लाइंग जेट में अगर क्रिश आ जाता तो शायद इनहांस होता कुछ, या समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड वाइस वर्सा मे बी.
I don't know how much is really true, how much पेपरों में दिखाया जा रहा है, लिखा जा रहा है. So I can't comment क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं कितना सच है इसमें.
तुषार, आपसे because of financial work and so many films, तो आजकल जो फिल्म्स में हमारे cameos आते हैं, like there are special appearances by some actors. So what do you think, like if there's a cameo by Shah Rukh in some movies, so do you think the cameos is still focused on the actual movie that is there?
No, if the screenplay is good, the cameo will add to it. Okay? Thank you.
Personal opinion, personally, I think it's very unfortunate that an artist has to bear, I think it's very unfortunate. An artist is an artist, an artist is not a terrorist. So very unfortunate, but I mean, such is life, dearies, isn't it?